Hello guys, in this video we're going to see how to use chatgpt for your Google Sheet. So I have created a folder here, and inside that chatgpt demo, and I have created a Google Sheet, and I'll go to the app script, copy this name. Okay, so meanwhile, name this like this. Meanwhile, I will go to my OpenAI project API keys, which is platform.openai.com. Create a new secret key for Sheets projects demo, and copy this API key. Okay, so this is the one, and here is my ChatGPT API key, and save it. Okay, and now I'm going to use this API key to call some functionalities. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so use chat GPT. Okay, so this will be my this thing, and inside that, first thing is I'm going to declare a variable. It's already declared. I have to declare the OpenAI endpoint here, and I have to use a payload. Inside the payload, I'm going to declare the model which is going to be used, which is GPT-4. Then I'm going to use a variable called messages, and here I'm going to have a role of user, and I'm going to create content. Give me some quotes, right? Okay, and again this will be inside the curly braces, which is like this. Okay, so payload is here, and now I'm going to have another object called options. Inside the options, I'm going to have a method post. Inside that, my content type. Inside that, my payload here. Okay, and my header. Once we have everything is set, we are going to call the responses, which is going to fetch the response, and then we are going to have a JSON, and then we're going to find out what is the content of the JSON, and okay, so let me just go ahead and print the content over here, and give me give me a quote. Okay, single quote. Give me a motivational quote. Now I'm going to use GPT key and run this function. Review the permissions. API key is not defined because this one we have named as chatgpt API key, so I'm just going to rename that and run this. Okay guys, so here I have got the response, and I will be able to filter out data, dot choices. Let me run this. So it will be data dot choices 0, and then I'm going to go to message content dot message dot content, and I should have my quote right here. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts for today. That's great. So this is how we can use ChatGPT API key to send any kind of query to our this, and now I can write this quote into this cell. So get sheet by name dot get range dot set value content, right? So now when I'm going to run this script, it's going to print, it's going to ask for more permissions. It's going to print the quote over here, right? And also one more thing guys, that API key that I have just used, I'm going to delete this API key so that no one can misuse it anymore. So after the deletion of the key, if I now run this function, it's going to, oh, it's still working, so maybe it'll stop working after some time. Thank you so much for watching the demo, and have a great day. Please follow me on my Patreon link and contact me on Fiverr, which links are below.